You're queen. Am I the queen? Okay, so we're gonna get the third one out. Here you go, my queen. All right, show everybody the 3 flowers. Okay. Boop. Okay. So now we're going to show you guys the oil. All right.
Can I open it?
Hang on, baby. It's kind of like in a weird thing. Hold that. So this is a massive oil, much bigger. It's double what the normal oil size is. And my dad would kill me if he knew I was using my teeth. Sorry, bad word, Cece, bad word. Poppy would be very mad if he saw me using my teeth. He used to always say stuff to me about using my teeth and stuff. So you're gonna slide the clear packaging off. You're gonna pop the top off. And then you're gonna pop this little clear piece off.